Hey, Ken Eagle here with Hall Technologies. I'm at ISE 2022 in Barcelona, Spain, and I want to show you one of the great new products that we're introducing here at the show. And this is a work-from-home kit from Hall Technologies. It includes two components. I've got them on the shelf here beside me. The first is a interactive speakerphone dock. This speakerphone dock is really ideal for your employees who are working from home. Ever since COVID, we have so many employees working from home now off their laptop, and a laptop alone isn't always the best experience when you're doing something like a soft codec conferencing solution. So we've tried to make that interaction, that communication model much better, and we've done that with the speakerphone dock. So this has 360 degrees of microphone around the top. There's a 2-watt speaker built into that. Easy to use tactile buttons on the top for volume control and mute. And along the side here, we have some real easy input. So there is a USB-C input for power. There's a USB-C input for your laptop. There's a peripheral USB-A port. Another USB-A port, which we're going to pair with a camera that I'm going to show you in just a moment. And then you've got an HDMI output for your monitor. So this is not just a speakerphone, but it is a docking station. So when you sit down, you're going to take one cable, plug your laptop into that, and by plugging in one cable, you're docking your laptop to this whole system so you can do your conferencing right from here. And we pair that with this 4K auto framing camera. Now this has AI built into it. This will auto frame the picture based on the number of participants in the room and how you are arranged in relation to the camera. It works very easy. You can mount that right on top of a display. Very simple to do. It's got a nice 100-degree wide-angle lens on that, so you can even have a couple of participants next to you, and everybody's going to fit into that shot. This system, this sells together as a pair. It's perfect if you're working from home. You can then take that, because it's mobile, you can bring it to the office with you, you can use it in your office. If you're traveling, maybe you're working out of a hotel now and again, you can take that with you, and even if you have a couple of guests joining in with you, everybody can sit around that speakerphone and their voice will be picked up and they can hear, and they'll be picked up on the camera. So this is a work-from-home kit from Hall Technologies. You've got two individual pieces on there. You can buy them independent or you can buy them together as a kit, and it becomes the perfect mobile work solution. So to learn more about this product and all the other great products from Hall Technologies, visit us online at halltechav.com.